Well, hello, loves. This is Kimberly here. Welcome to A Blessed Home with Kimberly Davis. Today, I'm going to share with you my family room decorated for Christmas. But before I do, let me share with you these beautiful lamps that I received from QiMH. They are amazing. They are a touch control table lamp. They're a set of two. They have a USB A plus C ports. It's three-way dimmable lamps. They have a fabric cream shade, and they're perfect for pretty much any space in your home, be it your living room, your bedroom, you have a reading room, and more. They can fit practically anywhere. They're also easy to assemble. Everything you need is in the box, including light bulbs, LED bulbs. Right now, I'm just showing you everything that comes in the box. I'm unboxing these beautiful lamps. Now let me share with you how easy and how quick these lamps can be assembled. All you need to do is twist the light bulb socket in place on the top of the base of the lamp. The lampshades are easy to assemble as well, only takes seconds to do. They have a clip. And the back of the shade velcros closed. Now these lamps are 26 inches tall, and it comes with a 2700K warm light 2 bulbs. I ended up switching those off, however, because I like daylight bulbs. The base of these lamps are electro spray painted. They have like a smoke gray look to it with a gold finish. Very durable and easy to clean. And here is one of the lamps already assembled. I'm going to assemble the other one and put them in place and bring you back. Stay tuned. Now again, these lamps have a 3-way dimmable touch control on these lamps. They're amazing. You can touch any metal part to choose your favorite brightness. All right, I love them. And the features that I love the most is the USB. These lamps come in handy, especially now that the holidays are coming up. If you have a large crowd coming to your home and they're asking, where can I charge my phone? Where can I charge my tablet? These lamps can do the job. They are very, very beautiful, and just the added touch I need on both of my credenzas. So information about these lamps will be listed in my description box down below. They are on Amazon, and they're having a Black Friday deal where you can get 20% off. No clippable coupon to click on. It's already discounted, ready for you to add to your cart. Okay? Thank you, QiMH, for the opportunity to share your lamps with my family. So right now I'm sharing with you the credenza on the right of my family room. And what I've done, I've placed that train on top instead of placing it under a tree. I wanted it to be a focal point on my credenza and added garland around it. And I hauled these beautiful vases and I placed it with the train and the lamps. Now the top portion of these vases match the lamps perfectly. This credenza is in my Amazon store. If you're interested, I will have that linked as well along with the lamps. But I love this beautiful setting. Now, I went with two slim trees in my family room this year for Christmas. And we have the Nutcracker theme going on in this space. Now, if you've been following me and have watched my back patio and how I placed the tree back there, I've decorated this tree in the same manner, okay? I've used ornament garland in black and white, ribbon, poinsettias, and I've added the drums and have a drum collar on this tree. And that's pretty much it. Keeping the trees very simple for this space. Now I'm going to share with you my fireplace, and it's decorated very simply as well. I placed on each side of the mantle these beautiful red glittered candle holders with the Harlequin candles. Very simple. The garland is a mix of the black and white garland with red ornaments, the ribbon, the Nutcracker ribbon, as well as the Harlequin ribbon, and velvet poinsettias. And I added lights to this garland as well. And below, I've placed my ZGallerie reindeer that I've purchased this year at an unbelievable price. They are so beautiful here. And I placed the Harlequin ribbon and a jewel on both of them. Now on the opposite side, I have these beautiful gifts. These are pretty much the same that I've placed on my back patio. On my back patio, I have ornaments, a set of 2. I picked these up last year by shopping after the season on clearance at Walmart. I do not know if they have these still, okay? But I only paid $10 for them, and they make a huge impact. Now on the credenza to the left, pretty much the same Christmas tree, slim Christmas tree, decked out in the same way as the first one. Have the beautiful lamp, and as well, I forgot to mention the wreath on the other side. This wreath I've had for about 3 years now from Walmart, and they do have this wreath again this year. I've also placed a trio of candle holders that one of my beautiful blessed family members gifted to me, and I absolutely love them because they are red and they're sitting in a bed of garland. And to add a little whimsy to the space, I've added these adorable teddy bears. He has his little drum, the other one has his little horn, and they're just making all kinds of music, right? My grandson absolutely loves those bears. He goes straight to them when he comes into our home. And here is another credenza, again from Amazon. Now to our seating, we have this sectional from ZGallerie. And of course, you know me, if you've been following me, I'm going to add lots and lots of pillows, right? Well, I didn't do too bad this time. Just added a few, and these are pillows that I already had on hand. They're not screaming Christmas, just giving a little punch of color with that red pillow on the end. Now for my coffee table styling, I use things that I had in my home. I shop my home for everything that you see here. Those reindeer red I've had for many, many years. I use these beautiful velvet black trees that I purchased last year from Hobby Lobby. Hobby Lobby, they have these trees again this year. I also placed my black ginger jar on my coffee table and place these beautiful velvet poinsettias from Hobby Lobby. This is a square coffee table, mirrored table, and I've placed these set of 2 velvet black boxes, decorative boxes, and a bowl full of ornaments. And yes, my grandson has been in this bowl. But this is the coffee table styling for Christmas. By the way, the coffee table is a thrifted find. And just in case you missed it, and I suggest you go back and watch, I did a video on my piano and this beautiful accent wall. It is in my A Blessed Holiday playlist. That playlist will be linked in my description box for your enjoyment. But guys, this is how my family room looks for this upcoming Christmas season. I hope you've enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. Follow me on all of my social media sites and shop my Amazon store. All of those links can be found in my description box below. Thank you so much for watching. You take care, you be blessed, and I'll see you on the very next video. Love you guys.